Starting your AI journey with $0. No problem. Today on BoostMind AI, I'm sharing the best free AI tools to build your content, boost productivity, and create like a pro. Let's dive in. Writing tools use Grammarly to clean up your writing and sound professional. Copy.ai helps generate ads, blog content, and social media posts. Quillbot is great for paraphrasing and rewriting text. Image tools use Leonardo AI or Playground AI to generate stunning visuals for free. Canva Free now includes AI tools like Magic Design for easy graphic creation. Video and voice tools Pictory AI turns your scripts into videos fast. 11 Labs gives you realistic AI voiceovers for narration. CapCut is your go-to free video editor with built-in AI features. Productivity tools Notion AI helps you write notes, outlines, and ideas faster. Perplexity AI is great for fast, accurate research. ChatGPT Free is perfect for brainstorming, writing, and planning. Daily workflow example: write with Grammarly and Copy.ai, improve or paraphrase with Quillbot, create visuals using Playground AI, voiceover using 11 Labs, make videos in Pictory AI, edit with CapCut, organize with Notion AI, research using Perplexity or ChatGPT. That's your $0 AI stack. No budget. No excuses. Start building with free AI tools today. Like and subscribe to BoostMind AI for more powerful tools and tutorials.